Great. Thank you for having me here. Thanks for the organization. My name is Xiaoming Huo. I'm from the School of Industrial System Engineering, and I'm going to present our project. So first of all, I want to explain what does this word mean, microclimate prediction in particular. So everybody is familiar with the weather forecasting. For example, tomorrow is going to be sunny or rainy in Atlanta area, the temperature, the predicted humidity, and so on. Now imagine that if I'm only interested in the library of Georgia Tech, tomorrow, 3 p.m., can I say anything about what could be the predicted temperature, humidity, the rain speed, wind speed, or the level of the sunshine? Can I do anything which is more precise at such a fine level? This is what we are talking about, microclimate prediction. And as a matter of fact, the motivation is that nowadays, due to the advance of sensor technology, also the wireless network, building a mini weather station to collect all the weather-related data becomes very cheap. It could be a couple of thousands of dollars. You can build a mini weather station on the top of any building, and you can connect it to a wireless phone, and you can instantaneously upload those information on a cloud database. So the climate monitoring seems like, at least at the data collection level, it becomes doable. Then the next question is how is it can be incorporated into the system such that we can do not only the monitoring but also the prediction, the forecasting. And so we propose this project. So the project is I would say is kind of a software engineering driven. The purpose is that building a system, and this system should incorporate the information, the data we can collect nowadays very effectively, very cheaply from those mini weather stations. And at the same time, there are also existing advanced weather forecasting systems, such as, for example, the WRF, which is the software engineering system, which has been widely used at all the different levels, the city level, state level, the federal level, or the internationally in terms of enabling the forecasting. So the question is, can we integrate the local data, the local information, and together with this global integrated this into the computational system, which is currently doing the forecasting, so that we can realize that we can make this possible, that we can do more localized weather forecasting. So this is the goal. So in order to do that, we need to build up the interface, because now we have data coming from the different sources. So we need the interface to integrate them together. We also need to be integrated with the existing computing resources, which is called this WRF, which is currently run by most of the weather forecasting agencies. And also, we want to build a platform so that the output. So it turns out that most of those computing systems, when we look at them, their output is not necessarily accessible in terms of the average user, because the output is very complicated. It could be thousands of computer files that is generated, and then something has to be done so that you can process those output files in order to make the forecasting which is understandable by the general audience. So this is our project. So the project is to eventually build an integrated system so that we can enable the microclimate for the monitoring and the prediction. And using this, if we can successfully do this, well, it turns out that we hired a RA, the student, and we meet weekly. 3 of us meet weekly with the students to try to make this happen. So we had some limited success, but we also come to the realization that we are probably over ambitious at the beginning in order to build such a system. So we have some preliminary version of the software has been developed, and in the future we are hoping to using technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, to integrate into the system to make a prediction even better. What we feel that we need more workforce to work towards to make the system more useful for us. And of course, this will require resources. So Jian, Luo, and I, we submit a proposal to National Science Foundation, hoping that we can get more resources to continue this line of the research. And of course, we're interested in collaborations. Thank you.